Hello, welcome to Statistics Bio 7. Now we are the discussion for the topic interpretation of survival analysis in R. How to analyze survival analysis in R Studio. That video already published in our channel. That video link mentioned to this video description box. So the continue part of the interpretation in survival analysis. The survival analysis is a statistical model used to analyze the expected durations unit and event across. In medical studies, this usually refers to a death, a relapse or recovery. In this study, survival analysis was conducted on a dataset of 25 patients using R program. The objective was to evaluate the survival difference between two treatment groups A and B and assess the impact of covariates such as age, sex, smoking status and BMI using Kaplan-Meier estimated and Cox Proportional Hazards Regression. So the model summary of the data set total 25 patients. The variable for the age, 6 treatment groups for A and B, smoking yes or no, BMI, survival time for the dates, status for the even or censored. The tools used for the analysis in are the packages for the survival and survminor. The method of the applications Kaplan-Meier estimator, long rank test, Cox Proportional Hazards Models. So the result of the table in interpretation for the long rank test for survival difference between the treatment group, the data present in the table, the group for the A and B, the high square value for the A group 21.3 and the p value 0.00. The interpretation of the table, a highly significant difference in survival is observed between two different groups. The p value is equal to 0.00. The treatment A is associated with substantially higher event rates compared to the treatment B, implying the treatment B has significantly better survival outcomes. So the plot for the Kaplan-Meier survival curve interpretations. The Kaplan-Meier survival curves show a clear separations between two treatments for A and B. The patients in the treatment B exhibited higher survival probabilities throughout the study period. The long rank p-value shown on the plot is p less than 0.0001. The confirming the statistical result of the survival advantage in the treatment B. The shadow regions indicate the 95% of confidence interval. So the next one table for the Cox Proportional Hazards Model output, the table present the data. The variable for the age, sex, treatment B and smoking S, BMI. The significant present for the age and sex. So the interpretation of the Cox Proportional Hazards Model table and the plot. The age is 1 year increase in the age is associated with a 33% increase in the hazard. The HR value present the 1.33, the p value 0.02. The sex being male significantly increase the hazard of the event occurrence. The HR value for the 60, the p value 0.028. The indicating the sex is a strong risk factor. The BMI, the lower hazard observed HR value 0.70 but not statistically significant. The treatment B and smoking, no value indicate perfect productions of or zero events. The meaning the model would not estimate coefficients for those do data separation. The model states the number of event total the 14 and coordinations index 0.869, the good model determinations. The likelihood ratio test P is equal to 3 to the power E minus 0.6. The models is significant. So the next one, the plot for the adjust curve, survival curve for the Cox model. The interpretation of the plot. This curve shows survival probability adjusted for age, sex, BMI using the Cox model. The lines is mostly flat and close to the 1, indicating that after adjustment overall survival remaining the high. The shadow regions show the confidence interval around the estimated survival probability. The no strong drop in survival suggests that the events are mostly associated with certain groups as seen in KM plot and Cox HRs, the not uniform across the population. So the conclusion of the survival analysis. The survival analysis revealed the significant insight into the data sheet. The treatment group B showed significantly better survival outcome than group A. The p-value less than 0.0001. The male sex and increasing age were associated with significantly higher hazard of event occurrence. The BMI showed a protective trend but was not statistically significant. The smoking and treatment B could not be evaluated in the Cox model due to separations or zero events. The findings support the effectiveness of the treatment B and identified impact risk factors such age and sex which solely be considered in future clinical or public health studies. So this is for the interpretation of the survival analysis in R. And if you any doubt on the interpretation for the survival analysis, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel or click to the donation page link. The link mentioned to the this video description box. Thank you for watching this video.